In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Zoho Creator. Whether you're new to Zoho Creator or just looking to customize your application interface more effectively, you'll find these instructions easy to follow. Let's get started. First, let's discuss where we're adding this button. In Zoho Creator, pages serve as the most versatile locations for placing custom buttons. These pages allow you to craft a unique and user-friendly interface tailored to the specific needs of your users. So, our goal here is to enhance interactivity and functionality by placing a custom button within your application page. To begin, we'll need to access Zoho Creator's Edit mode, which is also known as the Design view. This is the area where all the magic happens, where you can build and tweak your application to your heart's content. Open your Zoho Creator application and navigate to this edit mode. You'll find that it offers a visual and intuitive environment where all your application components are within reach. Once you've successfully entered edit mode, it's time to open the page builder. You'll want to select the specific page component you'd like to modify. This component list is typically located on your screen and allows you to choose where your button will reside. After selecting your desired page component, click on Open Page Builder, which you'll find right at the center of your screen. This action will lead you into a workspace specifically focused on the selected page, making it straightforward to make any adjustments or enhancements. Now, onto the exciting part, adding the button element. Look over to the left-hand menu, where you'll see various page elements available for customization. From this list, locate and click on the button option. As soon as you do this, a new menu slides in, showcasing an array of different button types you can choose from. Whether you want a simple button for basic interactions or something more complex, this menu will have options suited for your needs. Let's say you opt for a simple button. You'll simply drag and drop this selected button type onto your page builder canvas. Dropping it here will allow you to position the button perfectly, ensuring it integrates seamlessly into your existing page layout. This drag and drop functionality provides an efficient way to improve your page without any hassle. By following these steps, you've seamlessly added a custom button to your Zoho Creator application page. Remember, customizing your buttons further, perhaps by labeling them with descriptive text or changing their color and size, can enhance user interaction significantly. Explore these options, test them out, and see what works best for your specific needs. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to adding a button in Zoho Creator. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this helps you create even more dynamic and engaging application pages. Happy building!